is Monday morning. I also don't think I ever really introduced myself, so hello, my name is Nia. I am a first-year PhD student at UPenn, getting my PhD in computational biology, and I just thought it would be nice to show you a week in my life of just classes. So a lot of people, when they're like applying to a PhD or when they're like starting, they kind of apply straight into a lab. But for my program, we have doing rotations in our first year before we like commit to a lab. So kind of like shopping labs and seeing what we like in terms of the research, the environment, all that stuff. So I have one lab rotation in the fall, and then I have two in the spring. So like one right after I come back, and then one like leading into the summer. And so I don't start lab rotations until next week, so I've only been in classes right now. So I thought it'd be fun to show just like what I guess a more relaxed schedule is, because I'm only in classes and I'm not like juggling lab and classes right now. So I am taking 3 classes. I'm taking one experimental genome class, which is basically a scientific writing class. It's like a emphasis like grant writing, but with an emphasis on genomics. I'm taking one class in like an intro to comp bio class, so like more of a coding class. And then I'm also taking a stats class. So honestly, the classes don't seem too bad so far, but lab rotations are each about 11 to 12 weeks. So not very long periods of time, and there's like no expectation to like publish. It's more just like shopping around the lab. So yeah, I'm excited to get started, but I thought it would be nice to show just a week of my life of classes. So come along. Hello. It is Tuesday. It's about noon right now. I've just been spending the morning like doing some homework. I did some laundry. I had some papers that I had to review for a few of my classes and my lab for next week. And I have my stats class in about an hour, so I'm going to commute to campus now. And yeah, I only have one class, so I'll probably just go for that class, and then I'm supposed to meet with some of my cohort members to like review homework and stuff, and then I'll probably just come back home after. But yeah, Tuesdays are a pretty light day for me this week at least. I finished my stats class and I did a bit of studying in the library, and now I'm gonna go back home, probably do some more work, but we're basically done for the day. It's Wednesday. Yes, what we have today, another day of classes. So I have my 2 classes that I had on Monday today. I think I have like a women's club event after, so maybe I'll go to that if I still have time. And then I'll probably just spend the time in between classes studying, unless something comes up. Sometimes like randomly a talk will come up, or like there's always like a free lunch opportunity. So yeah, I'm going to my first class right now, which is the genome class. So let's go. I'm not gonna get anything today, but good to know. I don't have a lab space yet, so I'm just making do with the department kitchen. I tried to make some chai. And when I'm in an actual lab space, I will hire an actual coffee tea station. I will. Mariah and Sophie, they're in my cohort. We just tried to go to a Penn Women's Club like kickoff thing, and there was no food, so we left. And now we're
drive by and then
we jump by and we're going to another event now that supposedly has food in an hour. It's
biotech group,
biotech club something, but we'll see how that goes because we just registered right now and it starts in an hour. So. We got some food, and I'm trying to figure out my homework right now because my code isn't loading on my laptop. Today is definitely a longer day than normal. I finished and I'm on my way home, and I'm supposed to be getting picked up by the Penn shuttle, but I don't know where it is. It's Thursday. I'm running very late to stats class, so we gotta go. I basically just spent the morning doing homework and I submitted some things, but we gotta go to stats right now. There's a slight chance I might make it on time. It's 4 minutes until class starts, and I'm like maybe 5 minutes away. We just finished stats. It was about 0.5 routine. 0.5%?
No. Okay, maybe
you
like...
weren't even listening either. You were texting me.
Maybe it's like 50% retained, but 50% I have to go back and look at all.
I was looking at the end, I was like paying more attention, but at the beginning I was just like trying to find other rotation PIs for rotation 2 and 3. Like I was looking at the bioengineering website because I realized that a lot of bioengineering students were rotating with us, and I was like, why can't we do with them?
Oh, true. Yeah, I mean that could work.
Coffee for me has just made me anxious.
I grabbed some tea, and I'm saying hi to UPenn. I was just getting some work done, and now I'm going to the Black Women's meet and greet, and that should be the last thing for the day. I just finished at the Black Women's kickback, and now I'm gonna go home. And that pretty much concludes my Thursday. This probably also concludes the week vlog because tomorrow is just gonna be a half day for me because I'm traveling. I just have like one required like talk that students and faculty give on Fridays, so they call them like chalk talks. So I just have that, and then that pretty much wraps up my week. But yeah, as you can see, most of it is just classes, assignments at this point. And then next week I start my first rotation, and then after that I will be juggling like half classes, half rotation work, and I'm sure I'll do another vlog of like what a week in that life looks like once I'm settled. But I start my rotation on Tuesday,
So for now, this is my last week of just classes.